Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So, children, today this is our EVS online class, and you all know that we are doing chapter number 10, that is useful animals. And in this chapter, I have explained you yesterday by reading the book also, and I have given you introduction about this topic also. Okay, and I have completed with book exercise, and yesterday I have given you to complete missing letters, and I hope, children, that you have completed your work till here. Okay, now today we are going to start with a new exercise, that is fill in the blanks. But before starting with the fill in the blanks, I would like to give you a short recap of the chapter. Okay, so listen to my video very carefully, children. In this chapter number 10, useful animals, we have learnt about how animals gives us food. Okay, like you all know that cows, buffaloes, sheep, goats, hens and ducks are farm animals, and these animals are kept in farm because they gives us milk and eggs. Okay, so these animals are kept in farms. They are farm animals, and dogs and cats are pet animals. Okay, पेट एनिमल्स मीन्स दैट विच वी कीप इन आर होम्स. जो एनिमल्स को हम अपने घर में रखते हैं, उनको पालते हैं, लाइक डॉग, कैट, वो हमारे पेट एनिमल्स होते हैं. और जिन एनिमल्स को हम फार्म में रखते हैं, क्योंकि वो हमें मिल्क और एग्स देते हैं, तो वो हमारे फार्म एनिमल्स होते हैं. ओके, बट फार्म एनिमल्स एंड पेट एनिमल्स बोथ आर कॉल्ड डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स, मतलब पालने वाले एनिमल्स, जिनको हम अपने घर में या अपने फार्म में रख सकते हैं. दे आर कॉल्ड डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स. ओके, एंड डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स आर वेरी यूजफुल टू अस. यू ऑल नो दैट दे गिव्स अस मैनी things. Okay, now you all know that cows, buffaloes, goats gives us milk, and from that milk we make butter, cheese, curd. Okay, what is curd? Curd is dahi. Okay, butter, मक्खन, cheese जो आप लोग खाते हो, तो वो हम लोग किससे बनाते हैं? मिल्क से. and from where we get the milk? We get milk from cows, buffaloes and goats. Is that clear? Now you also have learned in this chapter that hens, ducks and geese gives us milk, gives us eggs, and eggs are very healthy for us. Okay, hens, ducks and geese gives us eggs. Okay, and some people who eat non-veg, like they eat meat, so they eat meat of goat, chicken and fish. Okay, so this was in this chapter. Then next, in the next part, you have learnt about how animals are useful in other ways, that how what other things, useful things they give us. Okay, so और खाने के साथ साथ, खाने की चीज़ के साथ साथ हमें एनिमल से और क्या नई चीज़ें मिलती हैं? लाइक वी गेट वुल. वुल इज़ यूज टू मेक वुलन क्लोथ्स. जो हम सर्दियों में गर्म कपड़े पहनते हैं, दैट woolen clothes are made from wool, and that wool we get from sheep. You all know that. Now you must have seen your mother wearing sarees, silk sarees. Okay, silk dresses and silk shirts. So all these silk items are made from silk, and silk we get from silkworms. Okay, silkworm is just like a small caterpillar, and we get silk from that silkworm. Then we come to honey and wax. So honey and wax we get from bees. Okay, they collect the nectar from the flowers, and they make honey, so we get honey from bees. And wax is used to make कैंडल्स एंड पॉलिशेस. ओके, कैंडल्स एंड पॉलिश बनाने के लिए हमको वैक्स, मोम की ज़रूरत होती है. सो दैट वैक्स वी गेट फ्रॉम बीज, एंड हनी ऑल्सो वी गेट फ्रॉम बीज. इज दैट क्लियर, चिल्ड्रन? नाउ नेक्स्ट वी गेट द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट वी गेट फ्रॉम एनिमल्स इज leather. ओके, लेदर जो हम अपने शूज़ या बैग्स हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं, शूज़ पहनते हैं, बेल्ट्स यूज़ करते हैं, पर्स यूज़ करते हैं, ऑल दोज लेदर आइटम्स आर मेड फ्रॉम डेड स्किन of some animals like buffaloes, camels, snakes and crocodiles. Okay, ये जो buffalo, camel, snake और crocodile की जो जब वो मर जाते हैं, when they are dead, so their skin is taken off from their body and that skin is used to make leather. Okay, so हम उस leather से पर्स, शूज, बैग्स, बेल्ट्स बनाते हैं. Is that clear, children? Now you all know that we keep cats, dogs, fish and parrots as pets. Okay, so why do we keep pet animals in our homes? For as they give us joy and safety. Okay, अगर आपके घर में एक डॉग पाला हुआ है आपने, तो वो जब आप कभी बाहर जाते हो तो what does that dog do? It guards your houses. The dog guards your houses. Okay, so cat is kept in your homes and it is used to kill the mice and rats. Fish look nice in an aquarium. Many of you must have seen that कई लोगों के घर में एक्वेरियम्स लगे होते हैं. आप में से भी किसी के घर में होगा एक्वेरियम जिसके अंदर फिश होती है. ओके, और फिश हम लोग उसको एज अ डेकोरेशन भी रखते हैं और वो हमारे पेट्स भी बन जाते हैं. Okay, fish are just like a pet and we give them food to eat time to time. Then some people keep parrot as pet animal and parrot used to parrot tries to imitate our voice. Okay, वो हमारी ही बात को हमारे तरीके से बोलने की कोशिश करता है. यू मस्ट हैव सीन पेट पैरट्स जो होते हैं वो हमारी तरह बोलते भी हैं. Okay, so how they because they try to imitate us, so they are able to speak like human beings. Okay, now next was that animals helps us in other ways also, like they carry us and carry our goods. Okay, so camel is used to pull a cart, horse used to pull a tonga, and elephant used to carry logs, and bullocks carry loads. You all know that. Now next is caring of animals. That was the last part in your chapter. Caring for animals is very important, as you all know that we should take care of animals and we should love them. We should not be cruel to them, and we should give them food time to time. We should give them good food to eat, clean water to drink and safe shelter to stay. Okay, animals are our friends and we should be very kind to them. And whenever any animal is sick, wherever you see an animal is sick, so we take them to a veterinary doctor. The doctor that treats animals are called veterinary doctors. So that was all in this chapter, children. Now coming to our exercise which you have to do in your notebooks is fill in the blanks. So as you can see on your screen, first of all what you will do, you will write down the date, today's date 18/8/2020. Then you will write down the heading lesson 10 useful animals. Then you will write down in the next line B part, fill in the blanks. Is that clear? Next, farm and pet animals are called dash animals. I told you all that farm के animals और जो pet animals हम घर पे रखते हैं उनको हम कौन से animals बोलते हैं? Domestic, DOMESTIC, domestic animals. Is that clear? Second fill in the blank is we make dash butter and cheese from milk. We make curd, CURD, curd. Curd is dahi. We make curd, butter and cheese from milk. Third one is we get dash and wax from bees. हमें bees से wax और क्या मिलता है? Honey, HONEY, honey. Fourth one is dash is used to make shoes, bags, belts and purse. So हमारे shoes, bags, belts और purse किससे बने होते हैं? Used to make from leather. So LEATHER, leather is the spelling. So leather is the correct answer. Leather is used to make shoes, bags, belts and purse. Okay, now the last one, last fill in the blank. Animals need our dash and love. Care and love. We should always care for our animals and we should always love them. Okay, C-A-R-E, care. Again, I am repeating the fill in the blanks. Listen to it very carefully. First one is farm and pet animals are called domestic animals. We make curd, butter and cheese from milk. We get honey and wax from bees. Leather is used to make shoes, bags, belts and purse. Animals need our care and love. So that is all in this in this exercise, children. I hope you all have understood, and with this video I am going to give you the same as assignment, fill in the blanks to complete in your notebooks, and I hope you will complete it very neatly, nicely and carefully in your notebooks. Till my next video, children, bye bye, take care, stay at home, stay safe.